In the last video, we discussed about how to display image, right, in a web page. Okay. Here we are going to see how to make displaying image dynamically. That means now if you click on iPhone 7, I'm getting iPhone image. Click on Oppo, still I am getting the same image, right? Okay. So we can make the image loading dynamically. In order to do that, what I can do, okay, here I have two images. Okay, then in this product, this is the product page, right? There we have loaded the image, right? So here I have hard coded the image name, right? Okay, so instead of doing like this, okay, we can make another way. Okay, so we can remove this thing and remove this particular tag. Okay, and here we can provide an image name, right? So what image name we can provide? We need to get that information from the program, right? What image to be displayed, right? In order to do that, I am going to the view function. Here this is the data which we are using to display the product, right? So here I am adding, because this data is from that particular data, we are getting this based on the product ID. We are getting the data, and that particular data we are rendering, right? Okay, now here we are adding one more property called image. Okay, here for iPhone I am providing image name as iPhone dot jpeg, and for this particular product, the image, what is the image name which I have? Oppo, right? Image Oppo dot. Okay, we modified the data to add one more property, what image, right? Then what we can do, we can use this particular image key here in the URL, right? So images slash image, no need to have jpg, right? We have already provided jpeg in the data, right? So images slash whatever it may be, iphone.jpg or oppo.jpg, based on this particular thing, right? Okay, now let's see what is actually happening. Okay, now when I click on products, click on iPhone, we are not getting it, right? Why we are not getting it? Go to the network tab, see what is the issue, what is the URL it is trying. Okay, it is trying product slash images, right? Because I have provided so here this is the URL, it is looking the image in the location products slash images folder. Okay, so instead of that, all the static asset should be static slash images now we got that image, right? Okay, so here if I click on Oppo, I am getting Oppo phone image there, and when I click on iPhone, I am getting iPhone image, right? So here you can see this particular thing, right? Okay, when we load the particular page for for the product 111, it is trying to load the image from slash static, right? Okay, here it is trying to load it from static images iPhone, right? So that means it is trying to load, this is the configuration, right? Django configuration settings. All the static assets URL is static. If the asset is a static, it will look at this particular folder. This particular folder is this particular folder. There is an image folder, right? Inside the image folder, from that particular image folder, Django try to serve this particular image. Okay, so that is what actually happening. So when browser requests a static image, it reaches the server get that particular content from the static folder and provide to the browser. So browser display that image wherever it want to display. Okay, I hope you got some idea. Okay, so only change is that in the data we are providing, I mean here in the view function we are providing what image to be displayed. Okay, and in the template here we are providing a absolute path. Okay, look at image in the static folder, inside images. Okay, and the file name is, that is dynamic, that is what data we are entering. That data has an image key, right? Whatever the value we are getting for the image, use that as the image name here. I hope you got an idea. Thanks for watching this.